Quantico Chief. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for southeastern Adams County in south central Pennsylvania until 10:15 p.m. At 7:07 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that may experience flooding include Hanover, Littlestown, McSherrystown, Bonneville, Lake Heritage, 2 Taverns, and Gettysburg National Military Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. This includes the following streams and drainages: Lousy Run, Rock Creek, Marsh Creek, Plum Run, Trib. To South Ranch, Conwayville Creek near Mount Misery, Piney Creek, Brush Run, Trib. To Marsh Creek near Greenmount, Trib. To Alloway Creek, Indian Run, Alloway Creek, Willoughby Run, Chicken Run, Trib. To South Ranch, Conwayville Creek near LaFavor, South Ranch, Conwayville Creek, White Run, Plum Creek, Swift Run, and Trib. To South Ranch, Conwayville Creek. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Carroll County in north-central Maryland, north-central Frederick County in north-central Maryland until 10:15 p.m. At 7:10 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 3 inches of rain have already fallen, and additional amounts of 1 to 2 inches are expected within the next hour. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Tanatown, Keyesville, and Harney. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.